Today in the Livewire build, going Cafe Racer, we're installing the low profile seat, and this came with it. I had no idea. It looks like some kind of pommel. That's great. And my dad's gonna help me out.
No, I'm not.
First part's really easy. Torx bit, you just remove these two, and I would assume, I don't know if we're gonna have to take the tank cowl off, but we'll see if it slides out. Yeah, we're gonna have to take the tank cowling off. Easy peasy.
You know what I'm gonna get for you?
What's that?
One of those little ashtrays that's a magnet. You put the screws on that job you did, and just leave it there.
But you're gonna get what?
You know, it's a magnet, and you put the screws when you're doing a job in there.
Like this one?
Yeah. Yeah. I guess I'm not buying that for you.
All right, now let's take this thing off. Oh, wow. There's the first part, it's really easy. Boop, boop. Take this off, slide it in. That part's really easy. Now, we gotta get that mechanism off. Ah, okay. Next step is you gotta remove that E-clip. What does the E in E-clip stand for?
Especial.
Especial. Maybe. Oh. Especial. And so I don't lose it, just put that right there. That is the E-clip. Then you just got to take this washer and spring out, and you got a lock pin, there's a little washer and a spring. Put that aside. Oh, it's only one side. You do not have to hold the other side to take this out. So there's one. And I'm using a hand tool because I noticed that a lot of these, and the torque specifications on this is not very tight. So I don't want to over torque or under torque anything. I feel like hand tight is about where it is, 40 pounds. That should slide off, no? Yeah. Out of one, into the other. So it looks like you're going to reuse that part. And then we'll just slide it back in there, I think. Ah, that goes in there a certain way. And that's in. It just kind of worked itself in. All right, we'll put those screws back in. What's up, man? You can just leave it with me. Yeah, I got you.
Here you go.
Thanks, brother.
Yep, have a nice one.
You too. More stuff, more stuff. So now I would assume we just do this in reverse order. So we'll put those seat screws in, followed by the lock pin, washer, and spring, and then the E-clip, which, what does E stand for?
Equilibrium.
Equilibrium clip. That's right. I think you're right. Oh yeah, that's going right in. And it's in. Kinda. So you're gonna put the lock pin, the spring, then the washer, and that's gonna go through all that right there, and then you gotta put the E-clip back on this side. I bet you I could do this with my hand. I don't know why. I really ought to get one of those clip tools. There we go. It opens rougher than it did before. And that's on there. And then if the release still works, it locks. It seems, maybe I tighten this too much, I don't know, but it seems to not be as smooth as it was before. But man, that looks great. Oh yeah, that's significantly lower. An inch is very noticeable. So there it is, Harley Davidson's low profile seat. It says it'll take an hour and a half. I think if I wasn't filming, I could get it done in 10-15 minutes. Not a big deal, real easy. The only thing that was a problem was that E-clip. So stick around, make sure to hit like and subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot to the Cafe Racer Livewire. The seat's just the first chapter. So what's a good phrase, like a going out? I've been doing a different one every video.
Check your tire pressure weekly.